Imagine discovering a fossil that has survived 500 million years, yet still holds every detail of its ancient inner world. This is the astonishing reality of a newly uncovered 520 million-year-old larva fossil, whose brain, digestive system, and even tiny nerves are perfectly preserved. This groundbreaking find, described in a recent Nature publication, https://articles/756/8, is rewriting the story of how arthropods evolved into the diverse creatures we see today. But here's where it gets controversial. How did such intricate structures survive so perfectly in a creature so small and fragile? Let's dive deeper. This fossil, dubbed a lifeline of evolution, is a rare glimpse into the early days of arthropod development. Scientists used advanced 3D imaging to reveal structures that would have been impossible to study otherwise. Think of it as a time machine, allowing researchers to peer inside a creature that lived during the Cambrian Explosion, a period when life on Earth diversified explosively. This era, often called the Cambrian Explosion, marks the birth of many animal groups, including the ancestors of modern insects, spiders, and crustaceans. The discovery is particularly remarkable because it shows that early arthropods were far more complex than previously believed. Using synchrotron X-ray tomography, a non-invasive technique that uses high-energy X-rays to create detailed images, scientists identified the larva's brain, circulatory system, and even traces of its nervous system. These findings challenge the assumption that ancient creatures were simple and primitive. Instead, they suggest that the evolutionary roots of complex brain structures in arthropods stretch back millions of years. For lead researcher Martin Smith, this fossil represents a personal triumph. When I imagine the perfect fossil I'd want to find, I always thought of an arthropod larva. But I never believed one could survive so intact for 500 million years, he said. The fossil's preservation is so extraordinary that it feels like a miracle. How did these delicate features avoid decay? The answer lies in the unique conditions of fossilization, which trapped the larva's body in a way that preserved its internal structures. This discovery isn't just about ancient creatures. It's about the processes that shaped life itself. By studying this fossil, scientists can learn more about the biological mechanisms that allowed arthropods to thrive and diversify. It also raises questions. What other secrets are hidden in fossils we've overlooked? And what does this mean for our understanding of life's origins? As the research team notes, this fossil is a window into a world that once existed, and it's changing how we see the history of life on Earth. What do you think? Is this a breakthrough or a revelation?